Wagwan this and that family, welcome back to the channel. If you're new over here, just like, share, subscribe, comment and hit the post notification bell. Now guys, I must tell you that for the past 3 to 4 weeks I've been down with the flu. I've been wonder if this is a normal or ordinary flu, because everywhere I go people are coughing, people are saying that they get the flu and they feel like it's getting better, and then all of a sudden they get it again, which is exactly what happened to me. I started sneezing, coughing and all of that, and I got on it like immediately. I went and I got a pharma cold and flu, and I took it and I was just trying to hit it on the get-go. 3 days after that I started feeling better, and then I felt like I got the flu all over again. Like within the past 3 weeks I felt like I got the flu 3 times rather. So I started researching and think about some stuff that I was using during COVID time, and I'm here today just to share a Jamaican recipe. I don't even know if it is really originated in Jamaica, but I heard it from a Jamaican and I used it and it really did help me. I want you to comment below and tell me, did you get that bad flu in this season? Believe you me, guys, I was like wondering if my immune system was down. And I'm going to also share in the description the vitamin C that I took, because that vitamin C really helped me. It's called vitamin C extend release. Hold on, let me show you. Yes, this is it, guys. So normally when you take vitamin C, they normally say you pee out most of it, because if you notice when you take vitamin C and you pee, you realize in the toilet that pure yellow in there. But this one is called vitamin C extend release, and what it does is that it releases just enough vitamin C for you throughout the 24 hours, so you get the right amount, so you don't pee it all out. So I had to go and get it. Very, very good, trust me guys. So I'm gonna put it down in the description so you guys can go ahead and purchase it. But what I really want to share today is my Jamaican recipe that I use. Now everybody know what this is, right? Pineapple. It is one of my favorite fruits, guys. So somebody told me to use pineapple, ginger, cayenne pepper, and a tip of black pepper. And guys, that is exactly what I did. And today, I think I'm going to just share how I put this mixture together. And I started drinking it. I had 2 servings of it per day, and that is what helped me. It helped to take all that mucus that was on my chest, all of that mucus that was building up in my sinuses. So comment below, have you ever heard about this mixture? Let me do it and show you exactly what I did. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have a half a cup of water, and I just peeled the ginger, so I'm going to be dropping. You can cut it up small, guys. I don't normally cut up the ginger that small, I just break it up. And I'm going to be putting 3 slices of pineapple. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3 slices of pineapple. Now based on what you're using, you could cut your pineapple up a little bit smaller. I'm going to put about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Why? That's a little too much, but no problem. And just a little bit of black pepper in here, right? Then we are going to blend it. I don't know what's going on. Hold on there. Right. Okay guys, so you see I made enough, so you're going to drink this 2 times for the day, 1 time in the morning and 1 time in the evening or the afternoon. The cayenne pepper may be a little bit harsh, but guys, you're not drinking for the taste, you're drinking for the health benefits, right? So we know that the cayenne pepper that fights the inflammation, and the pineapple, it is very, very good for your lungs, and the ginger also fights inflammation and fights, you know, like viruses and so on. And the black pepper just pulls out all of those substances so that they can come together and work well. Another thing that I did, I'm sharing the Jamaican home remedy. You know, if you have flu, or if you have very bad cold, or if you have very bad sinus problem. So this is mental crystal, talking about the Jamaican remedy, home remedy. Guys, I boil a pot of water, you see, then I throw it in a basin, and then I put a piece of mental crystal in there like this, and I also used peppermint. So I put mental crystal and I put peppermint. Comment below and let me know if you've ever done that. And I cover over with a towel and I just inhale the steam. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Right? So there are so many Jamaican home remedies. So if you are done with the flu, if you're sick, if you're struggling, you're coughing and you can't stop cough, if there's a chest cold, then you know the Jamaican remedy is what I just blended for you. And you can also go ahead and get your vitamin C extend release, and also use your peppermint and your mental crystal. Alright, so Jamaican this, Jamaican that. We share so many things Jamaican on this channel. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and stick around for more amazing, and when I say amazing videos. You don't know what's coming next. It's powerful. Go ahead and try this and tell me how it works for you. And even if you don't have a cold, this is very good. Build up your immune system. Jamaican home remedies. That's what we're talking about. Alright, see you in my next video. Love you guys.